You keep hearing in the money and out of the money, and it sounds like gambling slang, but it's actually the simplest options idea of all, and it's just about a coupon. Moneyness tells you one single thing: is your option already useful right now, or is it just hopeful? Same toy robot, one little coupon. Let's clear this up for good. Here's the key picture. Think of a call option as a coupon that lets you buy the robot at a set price, the strike. Say Lucy has a coupon to buy the robot for $10. Whether that coupon is valuable or worthless depends entirely on what the robot is actually worth right now compared to that $10 coupon price. That comparison, coupon price versus real price, is the whole idea of moneyness. There are just three cases, and they're all plain common sense. First, in the money. Imagine the robot is now worth $15, but Lucy's coupon lets her buy it for $10. That coupon is clearly valuable. She could use it right now to save $5. An option is in the money when using it would already put real money in your pocket. It has genuine built-in value this very second. In the money, options cost more because you're paying for that real value, and they move closely with the stock, almost like owning it outright. Next, out of the money. Now imagine the robot is only worth $8, but Lucy's coupon still says she can buy it for $10. Would she ever use that? Of course not. Why use a coupon to pay $10 for something worth $8? Right now, that coupon is useless. An out-of-the-money option has no built-in value today. It's pure hope that the price will move your way before it expires. That's exactly why out-of-the-money options are cheap. You're only buying a maybe. And in between, there's at the money. This is when the robot is worth almost exactly $10, the same as the coupon. The option is sitting right on the line, not yet useful, but one small nudge away from being valuable. At the money options are the most sensitive to movement. A tiny move can flip them from hopeful to useful. So, three simple cases: in the money is already useful, out of the money is just hope, and at the money is right on the edge between them. Here's the trap that lures beginners. Out of the money options are cheap and exciting. They promise huge percentage gains if the stock makes a big move. So beginners load up on them like lottery tickets. But they're cheap for a reason. Most of the time, the big move simply doesn't happen, and they melt to zero, expiring completely worthless. Buying only far out of the money options over and over is one of the fastest ways new traders lose money. Remember, you are buying pure hope, and hope has a way of expiring. In real stocks, it's exactly the same. Say a stock is trading at $50. A call with a 45 strike is in the money because you could buy at 45 something worth 50. That's real value. A call with a 55 strike is out of the money. It's only worth something if the stock climbs above 55. And a $50 strike call is at the money, right on the line. It's the same idea for puts, just flipped. Once you know the strike and the stock price, you instantly know the moneyness. So why does this matter? Because moneyness tells you the personality of your option. In the money, options are pricier and safer. They hold real value and move a lot like the stock itself. Out of the money options are cheap and risky, big potential percentage payoff, but they often expire worthless. And at the money options are the most reactive to a move. Knowing where your option sits tells you how much you're paying for real value versus pure hope, and that shapes every options decision you'll ever make. So here's the whole thing in one sentence a 5-year-old could repeat. Moneyness just tells you whether your option coupon is already worth using today, or whether it's only worth hoping about. In the money is useful now, out of the money is just hope, and at the money is right on the line. That's it. And that's moneyness, all that in the money, out of the money jargon, turned into a simple coupon. If using your option would save you money right now, it's in the money and holds real value. If it's only worth something should the price move, it's out of the money, pure hope. Know which one you're holding, and you'll never overpay for a dream again. If this cleared it up, subscribe because we explain every scary trading idea like your 5. This is for learning only, not financial advice.